Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, Thursday, January the 26th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles in this additional, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. Let's get connect with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Suguru. But you are not interested in those puzzles. You are interested in this one. Yes, it's the binary. It's binary time. This will be number 558. Wow, what a number, 558. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, wait, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. So that box should we know. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this first column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be this should be a 1. Still have 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this first column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be this should be a 1. Okay, double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, okay. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So that box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Okay. Then I need to think. 3 ones we have here. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. There should be an O. Then here we have 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this first row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. There should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Okay. Well. And now, do I need to compare? Can only compare this one or that one or this column. We have 2 missing digits in this column, 2 missing digits in this row, and 2 missing digits in this that row. Okay, and we have 1, 2, 3 rows to compare. Well, double 1. Well, cannot compare this one. How about double 1? Yeah. Ooh, almost the same. So I can compare this one, cannot compare this one. So how about this column? Double 1. Do we have a double 1? No. Wow. Then what's the next? Oh, we have here 3 O's. Overlooked. 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be this should be a 1. Okay, now we have between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Okay. Can I continue? Yeah. Still three O's. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of those. So this can be no. There should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third O, 1, and the fourth one. So those 2 boxes should be an O. Okay. Then. 3, 4. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. There should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones in this row. So the rest are O's. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have in this column 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Well, now I need to compare. I think here we have 2. Here we have also 2. Okay, can I compare the columns? Double 1 here. No. Double O there. No. This column I can. Here double O. Do we have a double O here? No. Then this column double 1 here. Here we have a double 1. This column and that column. Yeah. O, 1, 1, 1, 1, O, empty box. 1, 1, empty box. O. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Okay. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and fourth O. So that box should be a 1 then. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. Okay, so now we have 2 rows to compare, or 2 columns. Well, the columns I've just done, I cannot compare the columns, so it should be the rows to compare 1001. Okay, here we have a 1001. This row, the first row, and that row. Well, let me compare 11001100, empty box, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Finished in 8 minutes. Well. Seems yeah, it's not easy, this one. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Yes, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.